it's Jonathan with SyncBot, and today I'm going to go through a setup and walkthrough of the hosted option of SyncBot that I offer. If you would like to invite my bot to your server and use it rather than going through the GitHub setup that I show here, where you're hosting the bot yourself, you can reach out to me either on Discord or on Reddit, and you can find my handles in the description of this video or on my GitHub README for SyncBot. So the agenda for this video is I'm going to go through and talk about the test server that I've set up and the roles on that server. And then I'm going to go through and basically show everything that the bot can do, how to get everything set up, and yeah, have the bot start working for you. So first things first, I have a test 1 server and a test 2 server. Test 1 for this demonstration will be my main server where I manage all the roles in this server, and the bot goes out to test 2 and basically duplicates whatever I do in test 1. So if we look at the server settings, we can see I have 2 roles, role 1 and role 2. And there's nothing special about these roles. I just created them. They have no special permissions added or anything like that. They're the same as if you just add a role. One thing that is necessary is here in test 2. The roles have to be named the same in order for the bot to propagate the roles from one server to another. So same here. These are just click create role, named role 1, role 2, nothing special. Let's see. All right. So in test 2, I have just me. In test 1, I have me as well as a second account, neither of us having any roles. So the first thing we need to do is, after you get the invite link from me for the bot, you need to invite the bot to both of the servers that you want it to sync. So here I'm inviting it to test 1. And we can see that the bot joined test 1 and has SyncBot role. And here I invite the bot to test 2. And we can see that it's just me and the bot. Bot has SyncBot role in test 2. So after the bot's invited to both servers, we need to make sure that the bot's role is higher than the roles you want it to assign in the hierarchy. So to do that, go to server settings, roles, and the role that was added with the bot is always starts at the bottom. So let's drag it above role 1 and role 2, since those are our roles we're going to be testing. And you need to do this in each synced server, each additional server as well. Okay. Next, we need to tell the bot which server is going to be our main server, which server are you going to manage the roles in. So for me, that's going to be test 1. So you can see here, you can click on SyncBot and see which commands it has registered on your server. Main server and sync server are global, so they'll be available in any server that the bot is in, but they will only be executable by the server owner. So I will run main server here, and you get a congrats from the bot that he has set it as the main server, and he tells you the next steps of inviting him to any other server that he wants, that you want to sync, which we've already done. and then running the sync server command there. So before we do this, let's go ahead and set up a log channel for the bot to be able to log messages for whenever an automatic operation takes place. So whenever someone joins one of your synced servers and they automatically get assigned, you can get a message of the bot telling you that that role was assigned, if you'd like to know. This step is definitely optional, but it's nice to know that the bot is working. So I'm going to make a private channel named log channel. And in this channel, I'm just going to give access to SyncBot. So to tell the bot to basically send those log channel or log messages here, you need to run the log channel command. This command is only available after you have set a main server. So if we look at that real quick, after you run the main server command, you then get access to the add command, the remove command, and the log channel command. Add and remove aren't very beneficial yet because we haven't synced a secondary server, so all it's going to do is add and remove roles in the server that you're already in. So let's run the log channel command. Get a response. Bot has set this as the log channel. And let's go ahead and go to our secondary server now and sync this server. All right, so now everything should be in place. So let's go through and run the add and remove command to add and remove roles, and then we'll go through the Discord UI to add and remove roles. And then lastly, we'll go through if you kick someone from your main server, them losing whatever roles they had in the main server from each of the additional servers. So first we'll do the add. I'm going to add role 1 to SyncBot. And you get a confirmation back here in this channel because it's just responding to wherever you wrote the command. So we have role 1 in server 1, and we have role 1 in server 2. So sort of same, say we do remove role 1 from SyncBot. He now lost role 1 in test 1 as well as in test 2. Next in the UI, and we'll bring the other account into this here in a moment, but since he's not in both servers, I'm just using the bot for now. So we add role 1 to SyncBot in this first channel, and you get your message in your log channel that we added role 1 to SyncBot in test 2 as well. We can check, has role 1 there. And we can add role 2 to SyncBot. You get your log message here. And we have role 2 in the second server as well. So let's say you have a user in your main server, but they haven't joined a secondary server yet. So that's my use case here. So I'm going to add role 1 to my second account here. And then I'm going to invite that account to my secondary server. So he doesn't exist here yet. So let's join. And automatically on joining the second server, you can see that he now has role 1. It was automatically given him by the bot when he joined. And if you go back to your main server in your log channel, you get a nice message that we synced the roles in the server test 2 for the new member, Jonathan, who joined that. And say we want to kick Jonathan from this server. So we kick. And in your log channel, you see removing roles because they left the main server. So we go here, they're still in the server, but they do not have any roles anymore. I think that wraps up everything that I wanted to demonstrate. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to help. And thanks for watching.